Hello, Paul again here from EMD Automotive. Forgot to mention, very important to take it out. There's only one screw holding this in. It's a 10 mil. So this thing sits like that on the car. The steering lock sits like this on the car actually. Alright, and there's a 10 mil bolt that goes through there. And there's a nut from the top, and there's a nut here as well. So you got to remove the 10 mil screw first, 10 mil bolt, and the nut. Once you remove it, which is those two here, I'll show you what I mean. That goes like that, and that goes through here. See that hole there? That's where the nut goes. So that's got to slide into position, and then this goes in here. See that? Like that. See that? That's how the nut sits. And then the bolt sits there and the nut goes underneath. I'll take it again out. And this one here slides straight on like that. Has to slide into there. It's hard to see, but see there? There's a cutout there on the side there. Here, there's a cutout and there's a round circle. And a cutout here, which lines up with the cutout with this part here, and the round circle goes around it. So you got to push it in. Once it goes in flush, put the nut through there, and the bolt from the top, and the nut from the bottom, and do it up, and that's pretty much it. And start building everything back up. And then don't forget to put this in. You got to remember, you got to put the key in the ignition and turn it into to 1 for this to come out. All right, that's to unlock this part here. It's held on to the actual body by this little clip here, which is like that. See that? It's inside there. Make sure you line up the teeth properly, and then that goes on the top to hold it on. I'll show you again in the next video, but just a quick video to show you so you don't break things. Alright? Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.